What's up, guys? Today just wanted to talk to you real quick about this Hawk saddle system. I've been using this for about the last 2 years for saddle hunting, and as you can see, it's holding up incredibly well. All the straps, everything, like no wear, tear, rips, or anything like that. So really happy with how it's performed overall at this point. Super simple system overall. It's just these two straps that your legs go through, and then you have these attachment points to cinch it up. Just push down on these and you can tighten them up or loosen them, and then they stay really nice and tight. You also have your front tether that you're going to leash on to the tree with, to whatever kind of system you rig up to the tree. This is probably taking the most beating overall because I'm about 200 pounds and it has to hold my weight all the time, but there's no serious fraying, no serious damage. Still holding up, but at some point might have to replace it. Not sure when, but probably not too soon. And then, as you can see, the enclosure for this, it's kind of a unique buckle system, but get that to go in there, other side. But yeah, just buckles right in there, and then you just push down, take off your harness, and you are good to go. Backside here, so you can see, pretty comfortable system overall. Gives you a lot of coverage, and you can really lean into it off of a tree and works pretty well. You also get this padding for the back of the system, which you can attach to some different button points right here. But this is just to keep you a little warmer. I've virtually never used this. It's probably been in the field one day just to test it out, but other than that, haven't had much use for it. So cool system, guys. If you're looking to get into saddle hunting, I would highly recommend it.
As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.